why they don't let me. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, well, that's the idea. Yeah.
Oh, Bantam. They were those people who almost made the Jeep, I believe. Oh, really?
Yeah, they couldn't produce enough of them, so arguing with someone else.
Yeah, they designed the Jeep.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
But they only had 15 employees to make 600 and some thousand Jeeps.
Yeah, so they kind of missed it.
Well, you know what they did make though? Instead of the Jeeps, they made the Jeep trailers. Bantam trailers. They made them after the war. They made civilian Bantam, which I seen one. But they made
It's a neat little truck.
One, we're going to Vermont to be my 1938 Walker gas electric, and then by 19.
That Walker. Right.
So the Ford engine isn't stand fullies on the top. So what is Jeep? Will have Willys on top of them. They're all heads. And actually, the first Jeep with the sliding row in that, I think it had an engine in just like that. If I remember correctly, I've seen one. It had an engine in a pot like that. Probably has about 20 horsepower. Yeah, this thing. I thought that was a Bantam, but it ain't.